This video will show you how to remove the rear bumper on 2015 through 2020 F-150s.
All right, so yes, obviously you can do this install in the driveway, but we put our truck up in the air. That way you guys can get a better picture of what we're working with here. Now, first things first, we have to tackle a couple of connections. Specifically, I'm talking about the trailer hitch harness and then the two connections for the lights that are gonna light up your license plate. Go ahead and squeeze on the tabs to remove them. All right, so to tackle the license plate lights, pretty straightforward. Just rotate the bulb assembly itself and it'll pop out like so. Then for the trailer hitch connection, you can't really see it at the moment, but you just gotta squeeze on the little tab, depress it, and remove it. All right, with those connections removed, you're gonna pull these three nuts here, securing the bumper to the truck on the frame rails itself. You'll need a 21mm deep socket for these, and if you're using power tools like me, it's obviously helpful to have a swivel because it is a tight fit. All right, now some of these might be a little bit too cramped for power tools, in which case it's very helpful to have a large breaker bar. Now I'm going to leave one of these nuts on here as well as on the other side. That way I can secure the bumper and have somebody hold it before I remove it completely.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.